The purpose of this presentation is to discuss the medical application Auscultar by Noia Tech. The Auscultar is a free application available on Google Play. The presenter is Patty Leslie, RN from St. Petersburg College. The purpose of this application is to listen to heart and lung sounds. The intended users for this app would be nursing students, nurses, or possibly medical students. The Auscultar allows the user to hear various heart and lung sounds. It also has a description about each sound with further explanation on the possible diagnosed condition associated with the sound. This app is intended to teach about the various sounds to students, but working professionals would benefit from listening to the different sounds, especially certain conditions that are not common in their specific practice. Other medical students could benefit from this application too. This application is very simple and user-friendly. There are two pictures, one of a heart and one of a lung. The user can pick which sound to listen to and then read an explanation about it. While listening, the user can read the explanation about the sound and specifically the location the sound is coming from in either the heart or the lung. Each part, the heart and lung, has a list already entered that the user can scroll down and pick, or he or she can enter the specific sound name in the top search box. There are 15 heart and 12 lung sounds. Certain sounds open up to variations of that type of sound, so there's a total of 40 heart and lung sounds. It is recommended to use headphones while listening to the oscillator for clarity. This application has another section named Auscultation Focus. It has two parts, cardiac and pulmonary focus. This part of the app has drawings for proper placement of the stethoscope to hear the various sounds. There are two other applications that can be opened while in this app. These open up in their own app, and they are by the same developer. They are common laboratory values and what laboratory test to request. These correlate to what the next step might be after the heart or lung sound is heard and what lab test would be necessary. On this app, under Information, the main purpose is stated to be educational and intended use is to be used sparingly in clinical practice. I do not see any legal or ethical issues with this application. With the focus on education, it protects the developer because it is stated that that is the purpose. I do not see privacy as an issue for this type of application because there are sounds that do not pertain to a certain person, so there is no privacy to protect. The benefits of the Auscultar are the ease of use and straightforward presentation of the information. This app would benefit students learning to differentiate the numerous heart and lung sounds. This would also benefit the nurse to listen to a particular sound that is not heard often and to clarify which sound it is. The diagrams for stethoscope placement would be especially helpful for students. Another added benefit is that there are not any ads associated with this app. The only limitation that I can see is the use of headphones. The headphones may not be available when working on a floor in a hospital. In conclusion, the Auscultar app is an application that is easy to use and is helpful in learning heart and lung sounds and variations of those sounds. Another great feature is the diagrams for stethoscope placement. I would recommend this app to students and nurses because of the information included and the ease of use.